Hey fam. Hey fam. I'm so sorry. Hey fam. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. I got quite a few cute things, spa-related body care items from Dollar Tree. And I'm using this lip gloss here. Came from Victoria's Secret. It's called Pink Mimosa, and it is good. It is good. I've been testing out a lot of different lip glosses to put into my gift baskets, my self-care baskets, and this one is a winner. And they're normally like $9.99, but I got it when it was like 50% off, so I got it for $5. And I've ordered some other ones like from Amazon, and they just lay on your lips, and they're not good. They're cheap, but they're not good. So that's what I was doing when you guys called. I mean, I think I need to stop wearing those masks. Okay, so that's what I was doing when the camera came on. I got my Starbucks, and then I got my Chick-fil-A, got my salad, my Cobb salad. Okay, and here are a few things that I got from the Dollar Tree. And these are all like body care and self-care and spa-related items, most of them. So if you're not interested in that, you won't like this haul. But first, I got these facial wipes, chamomile and jojoba oil, 32 count. Got 2 of these. And then I got the lotus and rose hip oil, 32 count facial wipes, Bolero. Okay, let's see. Yeah, all right. And I got them in yellow. This is a mango. They cleanse and hydrate. And this is the mango raspberry seed oil. And you get 32 ounces. Yeah, and they're 6.5 inches by 7.5 inches. Bolero. Okay, and then Bolero, they have this facial hydrator. And these are jojoba oil and vitamin E, 1.7 ounces. And it's like, as you can see, I don't want to open this because this will be in a gift basket, and it's like that. And it's a spray mist. And I like these because, like, say if you're out like at an outdoor concert or something like that, you have this in your purse, and if it gets warm, you know, you just keep yourself moisturized and refreshed. So those are good to have and great to have as gifts as well. Okay, I'm going to put this back here. Put that down. I'll put that over here. Okay, and then, let's see. Bolero have this tinted lip balm. I love lip balms. So Victoria's Secret is my #1 right now. So I'm going to see how these are. So it has a good size on them. Moisturizing tinted lip balm. It's hard to find good lip balms, and it's pink nude. And it's cruelty-free. It's hydrating, so we'll see. Okay, and then Bolero has these hand cream sets. This one is water lily and cucumber. 2-pack hand cream set. Apply a dime size amount and massage into skin until absorbed. Doesn't have too many ingredients. Okay, see that? And they have it in, this is coconut cream and peach. These are beautiful colors. You guys know I'm a color person. I love color and to coordinate and have a full set of something, so that's not easy to find around here. So when you can get that, you get that. Okay, then the hand cream set comes in vanilla, sugar, and almond. It's pretty orange. That comes in the purple, which is lavender and cedar leaf. Little small hand things, especially in the summer, you're vacationing. Give them for Mother's Day, put them in Easter baskets. And I think anyone that gets these, you know, can always use it. Put it in your crossbody purse. You know, have your little things. You go out to outdoor concerts, go out to lunch. You're at the beach. You just, you know, just need something small. You know, you don't want a big full size. Okay, so in each of those colors, now here is a hydrating lotion mist. And it's hard to read it's 2.5 ounces. Got these, they coordinate with the hand cream. Got those in blue. Give someone all this together. And then, did I get a blue facial wipe? See, these are things that would be great to carry with you on vacation. Got those, got them in purple spray. It's a moisturizing. This one's lavender and cedar leaf. Same thing, like you're at the beach or something, you know, and you're just tanning. You need to just spray it, you know, hanging out at the park or something. These are cute for that. And did I show you? I got those hand creams in the green as well. I don't know if I showed you guys. Oh yeah, I showed you the blue. I got these in orange. There's an orange and then there's a red. Spray mist. And then these cute little, these are all from Bolero. Now these are Ione. This is the perfect brow. It's a little brow kit. I love brow kits. Oh my God. I have my own line of brow kits. And I love to have, I mean, I still have I had the best. My line had the best brush and everything, little palette. And so it's just all-in-one eyebrow kit. Brow wax, highlight, and 2 color brow powders. I guess I didn't read this. I was hoping it's still. They had like a brow brush and all that. I thought that would come into this kit, but I'll look into it a little further. These are cute. Because my brow kit, I had the tweezers. I had, you know, the brow brush, highlighter, you know, different brow colors. Had all of that. Okay, so let's see what else we have over here. Oh, then I have more lippies. More lippies. You got this. This is a lip gloss. It's pretty. Lip gloss. And then this is a roll-on gloss. LA Colors. This one was LA Colors. And you get these little jellies. Lip balms. I love lip balms. And then you get a roll-on lip gloss. Same color. Got a little jelly lip balm in pink. orange. Another lip gloss. Purple. Of course, the phone rang. You hear that? Phone hadn't rang all day. Okay, I got those. I like to try, when I do a gift basket, a self-care basket, I like to try to have a little of everything. You know, something for the face, the body, shower gel, your lips. Try to do all of that. Facial wipes. And then, like, when you go into Dollar Tree or Dollar General, whatever, if you see these, you got to get them. You got to get them when you can. So I got 2 of these. They have quite a few. But they were almost out. They only had 2 of these. You can always use these. And even if I don't use them for a gift basket, sometimes like in between time, like when I'm to store some of these items, I'll put them in these clear baskets, these clear bags, so I can see what I have. So you get 2 basket bags. And I always like to stay up on my shreds. So I always get a couple of shreds out of